Meaning of GMO.
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 GMO. GMO stands for genetically modified organism, which is a living organism whose genetic makeup has been altered through genetic engineering techniques. This involves the introduction of DNA from one species into another species in order to enhance desirable traits or suppress undesirable ones. By manipulating an organism's genetic code, scientists can create crops that are resistant to pests, tolerant to drought, or have increased yields. However, there are concerns about the potential risks and unknown long-term effects of GMOs on human health and the environment. As such, the use of GMOs remains a controversial topic and subject of ongoing debate.